I remember 5 years old having a specialist put tubes up my nose and having to say K, 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 K. And then following that, just always being at the doctor, always being on antibiotics. And then in my 20s and 30s, I had 2 major sinus surgeries, with which the recovery periods were just awful. Not giving me any relief, just more frustration. And so it has been 42 years that I have suffered from sinus discomfort. I have worked with Dr. Malice for many years in the hospital as well as in outpatient surgery, and one day I happened to just stop him and say, I've got this going on, and he said, come see me. And I thought, okay, I will. But at this point I had reached my desperation level where I was either going to do something or just live with it. So I came to see him, and I really did not expect much. When he explained the sinuplasty to me and what was going on, I decided that I would give it a try, and I'm really glad that I did, because I have had no pressure in my sinuses since then. This is before, when I wanted to wake up and just stick an ice pick through my sinuses just to get the pressure out. Since the procedure, we have had a lot of barometric changes here in Florida with hurricanes and storms. I have not had a single day of pressure or a single sinus headache since I had the surgery. Absolutely. If I end up ever having that kind of pressure and pain again on an almost daily basis, I absolutely would come to Dr. Malice and have the sinuplasty done again. I have known Dr. Malice for probably about 7 years now. I know him as a surgeon, I know him as a person, and I absolutely would recommend him and his office staff. Just that I know that there's a lot of people out there who have reached the desperation point that I did, where you're just doing antibiotics, nobody's finding anything, you think it's all in your head. It's not. The pressure is real, and the sinuplasty will help.